With over 3 billion devices running Java, it has helped shape the world as we know it today. Popular Java-based products like JUnit, Eclipse, Hadoop, and Android revolutionized the IT industry. The biggest internet company, Google, has a huge percentage of its development in Java. Accenture is also using Java for most of its clients. Hardware companies like Intel, Symantec, Philips, Thomson are all Java users. So if you wish to contribute to the growing IT sector by learning Java, what better than taking up a course? Brace yourself to start your career with Simplilearn's full-stack Java development course. Become a proficient Java developer and gain a course completion certificate free of cost. Yes, you heard it right. We understand the demand for this role and provide you with best-in-class training absolutely free. You must be wondering what the course entails, so let me walk you through. The free full-stack Java developer course is designed to develop your understanding of front-end, middleware, and back-end technologies. You will learn to build an end-to-end application, test and deploy code, store data using MongoDB, and much more. By the end of this course, you will have adequate awareness and confidence to pursue job roles as a full-stack Java developer. There are no prerequisites to take up this course. However, a basic understanding of programming is recommended. This Java full stack developer course consists of 12 hours of video content that will help you understand the concepts thoroughly. So wait no more. Head straight to our Skill Up page and sign up for this free Java course. Get certified with Simplilearn today and boost your resume.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.